Watch me have a match tomorrow.
Gonna be fat.
Pagtatagpo ng dalawang makapangyarihan.
Oo.
Hindi lang?
Matindi ang labanan nito eh. Kasi pareho silang nag-training ng mga 3 buwan. Pantayan lakas nito eh.
Sir, ano masasabi niyo sa laban ni Grande?
Ayos lang. Hello, Tito Boboy!
Tomorrow will be exciting fight. Two scientists will be fighting over freedom and wisdom. These two nuclear scientists hopefully will achieve their goals in their challenge fight tomorrow.
And who are you gonna place your bet on?
I think I gonna place my bet on Junti. You know why?
Why?
Because he had the talent to achieve all those things because of it, I said talents.
This fight's kind of the bomb, man. Smooth na ako, pare.
Ako naiiyak ako parati pag nasa camera.
Dad, yung susi namin.
Ano ka ba? Wala ka!
Binigay ko sa'yo, diba?
May binigay siya sa akin susi?
Wala.
Oh.
Man, I want some airtime, man. Give me some airtime. Come on.
Just, I
Yeah,
was.
boy.
Ayun!
Wala ka mo.
To be a good karate master, you need to set focus. You have no self-discipline. You cannot master karate. Now let me see what you learn during the time you clean your fight house. Show me sand the floor.